guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I have my monthly Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys would like to call these videos. This is the May 2020 Ipsy bag, obviously, and I'm really excited to bring you guys this video this month. I will have a link down in the description below where you can sign up to Ipsy if you're interested, and then I will also receive points if you use my link to sign up for Ipsy, so it really helps me out. But without further ado, I've done so many of these videos, so let's just go ahead and get right on into it this month. For the Glam Bag subscription, I really love the bag design. This month for the Glam Bag Plus subscription, the bag is blue and yellow ombre, but I really love the pink and yellow ombre. To me, this seems more like a June bag design. It seems a little bit more summery than like a May bag, that should be, in my opinion, more spring-like, but it still is a really cute bag design. And I love, it's just a simple, everyday bag, and I love the colors for the Glam Bag subscription. This is probably a total illusion to me, but this bag also seems a little bit bigger than the average Glam Bag, so that's nice to have a little bit more space, but it probably is the same size as all of their other bags. The theme for this month is Get That Glow. The card is a little bit different this month, so as you guys know, they started a thing where they would put the products and give a little description, and whether it was a deluxe size sample or a full-size item, and then they would put the retail value of the full-size item, and they didn't do that this month. So that's the first time, at least, that I have received a card where the products weren't on the card. So they started that at the end of 2019, October, I believe, of 2019. Like I said, this is the first time that I received a card that's not like that, and to me that's a real bummer because I really loved that feature and it made it easier for me to give you guys information on the products, especially when it was a brand that I haven't heard of. So I'm really sad that they discontinued that this month. Hopefully they continue it again in June. Let me know if you guys received a card like this as well. I'm really hoping they resume it again back in June. Of course, I will let you guys know then, but that is a real bummer because I was really excited when they started doing that. So since I have no other information to give you guys, we'll just go ahead and get into the contents of my May 2020 Ipsy bag. The first item that's in my May 2020 Ipsy bag is by Pure Brazilian, and this is the Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. It's a leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy-looking hair. I actually have a leave-in conditioner by Pure Brazilian that I received in a previous Ipsy bag. In fact, you guys will see it in my next episode of products I've used up, but I really enjoyed that leave-in conditioner. And of course, this is an anti-frizz serum, perfect for this time of year because I have naturally curly hair and it really starts to frizz up a bit extra this time of year, especially living in Michigan where there's so much humidity. This will be really nice to try because I really enjoyed other Pure Brazilian products that I've tried in the past. I wish their ingredients were a little bit cleaner. I still really enjoy their products. The next product in my bag is a brush by f.a.r.a.h brushes. I remember looking online to see what my products were, and I think this is the 25 EL shader brush or blending brush. I'll have it on the screen, of course, but I love f.a.r.a.h brushes. They're such high quality, and this one is gorgeous. I love the color and the gradient. Pink is really pretty. I just really love their brushes. I'm really excited to add this to my collection of eyeshadow brushes that I've received from Ipsy, and you just can't go wrong with receiving makeup brushes and subscription boxes. I feel like this video is going to be so short because I have no other information to give you guys, and honestly I don't remember what my Ipsy videos were like before those cards. This makes me sad, but what are you gonna do? The next product that I received is by Dr. Gold Faden, and this is the Problem Dry and Aging Skin Solution Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. Dr. Gold Faden's Overnight Creamy Facial Moisturizer will make skin appear firmer and feel stronger, leaving skin supple, smooth, and hydrated. Just by first glance, I will not be using this product. I'm not a fan of the ingredients. It is cruelty-free, which is nice, and I do really like it says here that it's made in the USA. I love that even more because, especially with the current events that have happened in our world, I think it's more important than ever to buy products that were specifically made in the US, not just sourced in, not just distributed in, specifically made in the US, and I think that's more important than ever. Kudos to this brand for being made in the US. So that's really great, but can just by first glance of ingredients. I have to be really careful with my skin. I am struggling with acne again. I almost had it almost 100% cleared up, and then I have these spots that just kind of showed up. They haven't gone away, so I'm not really sure what happened. I'm not using any other new makeup products that I haven't been using since my skin has been clear. I guess the only other thing I could think of is I tried a new Tarte Cosmetics, the oil-free primer that I've been using, but I haven't had issues with Tarte Cosmetic products in the past, and I do just fine with the CC creams. I don't think really that was it, so who knows, but I purchased the Tarte Cosmetics drying lotion. I've heard amazing things about that, so I'm really hoping I can just pop a little bit of that on these spots and it will clear up. They're just ingredients in this product I'm not super thrilled with, so I'll be passing this along to somebody else because I just have to be really careful with what products I use on my skin because of its extreme sensitivity. The next product that I received in my bag is by Wonderduty, and this is the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. They gave me the shade f.a.r.a.h. I love Wonderduty. I have so many of their products now between ipsy. I was subscribed to Birchbox for 6 months thanks to YouTube, so I have a lot of their products now, and the mascara that I'm wearing today is by Wonderduty as well. I've gotten to try so many of their products, and I've really loved what I've tried so far. In fact, I don't think I've tried a Wonderduty product that I haven't loved so far. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this and see if they gave me the correct shade. You never really know with receiving foundation samples in your ipsy bag. Really, any subscription, it can be a total miss or a total hit. And a while back, you guys know I used the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation that I received in an ipsy bag, and that was also in a previous episode of products I've used up, and they hit the nail on the head with that. It was the perfect shade, so we'll see if they did the same thing with this one. Okay, warning, it's very liquidy. I know you're gonna say, Michaela, it's a liquid foundation, but like so much came out at once. I don't think this is the right shade for me. I just can't believe how much came out. Oh, there's a lot here. I'll have to try it out on my face, but just by first glance, I don't think it's gonna be the right shade. I think it's too yellowy. I have more of a pink undertone, it seems like. I'm bummed. I don't know. I may try to use it as a concealer. I don't know if that will even work. I think it's just too yellowy, which I'm super bummed about. I have a friend that is a similar skin tone to that color, so maybe I can give that to her because I love Wonderduty. I don't like spending the money on foundations that I am nervous if my skin will break out more or something like that. And also, of course, right now with not being able to go in the stores and try foundations out, it can be really challenging to try to choose foundation shades online. I was really hoping that this foundation would work for me, and maybe it will. I'll maybe try a little bit on my skin later, but I don't have very good thoughts about this. The product itself seems nice, but very good thoughts about the shade. I don't think ipsy quite did it right for me in the shade game, so that's a bit of a bummer, but the product itself seems really nice. And just warning, if you do receive this product, again, it comes out so fast. Just a little bit you need goes a long way. The last product in my May 2020 ipsy bag is by Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm so excited about this product because it's the product that I chose for one of my 5 products. As you guys know, if you're subscribed to the ipsy Glam Bag, you can choose one of your 5 custom products, and when I saw that there was a Tarte lip gloss as an option, I was like, yes please. I have so many lippies, but I've heard so many great things about Tarte lip products, so I chose the shade Below Deck. They had a few others to choose from, but this seemed to be one that I would wear the most often, so you guys best bet that I am going to swatch this. It smells really good, but it feels sticky. This ipsy bag is just a flop. I love the shade, but it feels a little bit sticky, but sometimes when I swatch it, the glosses feel a bit sticky, but then when I actually put it on my lips, it's not that sticky. Although this lip color that I'm wearing today would match pretty well with this gloss. So we'll just put it on right now and try it. Here's what the lip product looks on. I'm like, duh, this lip color that I'm wearing today would go great with this gloss, so I'll just put it on. It's hard to tell because the lip color that I'm wearing today, originally before I put this gloss on over top, isn't super moisturizing, so it's hard to tell if the gloss is actually sticky. I don't think it's too bad. It's not as bad as I thought when I originally swatched it on my hand. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's extremely glossy, and the more I'm wearing it, the less sticky I feel like. I think it feels. So I think I'll like this a lot, and I love the color. I think it's very neutral, and it will just go with a lot of different lip colors, and I think I'll like this one. I think I'll like it. So that's everything that I received in my May 2020 ipsy bag. To be honest, it was not a super great bag. It wasn't horrible. Well, I mean, I don't know. I will try this anti-frizz serum, and I will also try this lip gloss some more, which I still really like it. It's still on. And then, of course, I'll use this brush. The foundation wasn't the right shade. Face moisturizer wasn't super great. It was an okay month for me for Ipsy. Not the best, not the worst, somewhere in between. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing what I received in my Ipsy bag this month. Let me know your thoughts on Ipsy down in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!